In today's video, I'm going to teach you to use Affirm on Stockx. By the end, you'll know exactly how to split your purchase into manageable payments without any surprises. Start by finding the item you want on Stockx and adding it to your cart. Make sure the size, condition, and bid or buy now option are correct, since Stockx transactions move quickly once you check out. It's also a good idea to confirm your shipping address in your Stockx account beforehand so the process stays smooth. When you're ready, head to checkout and look for the payment section. Select Affirm as your payment method. If you don't see Affirm, it may be unavailable for that item, your region, or your account at the moment. Sometimes switching from a bid to a buy now or updating your app can help, but availability ultimately depends on Stockx and Affirm. After selecting Affirm, you'll be redirected to Affirm's secure site. Here, sign in to your existing Affirm account or create a new one if it's your first time. Be prepared to verify your identity and provide basic information. Keep your phone nearby, as you may be asked to confirm a code by text for security. Next, Affirm will run a quick eligibility check. This typically takes just a moment. Based on the results, you'll see payment plan options such as 4 interest-free payments or monthly installments over a longer period. Carefully review each plan, including the total cost, any interest that may apply, your payment schedule, and the first due date. Terms can vary by purchase amount and location, so take a second to read the details before choosing what fits your budget. Once you're comfortable with the option you've selected and you're approved, confirm your plan with Affirm. Double check everything here, the item, the price, and your contact details, so there are no last-minute changes needed. You'll then be redirected back to Stockx to finish your purchase. Review the final order summary, confirm your shipping information is accurate, and submit the order. You should receive confirmation from Stockx about your purchase and a separate message from Affirm outlining your repayment schedule. Payments will be handled by Affirm, and you can manage them directly in your Affirm account, where you'll see due dates, amounts, and available support if you need help. If you ever want to pay off early, check your Affirm account for options and terms. And that's it. You've successfully used Affirm on Stockx. Enjoy your pickup, track your order in Stockx, and keep your payment plan on autopilot with Affirm's reminders for a stress-free experience.